I'm Sophia, and I really want to learn English in a way that feels easy.
Great energy, Sophia. I'm James, your teacher for today, and together we'll crack the basics wide open so everyone listening can join in and speak too.
Sounds perfect. What will we learn today?
By the end of this episode, you'll know how to greet people, count to 10, name the days of the week, spot everyday objects, talk about foods, and describe your daily routine. We'll take it slow, with plenty of practice and a lot of fun along the way.
6 big topics, that's exciting. Let's dive into our first one, greetings.
So, greetings are the way we start any conversation. Whenever you meet someone, you can say, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, or even good evening.
I love how easy that sounds. I'll try it. Hello, good morning, James. Did I say it right?
You nailed it. And when someone greets you, you can reply with, hello, how are you? Or even add, I am fine, thank you. Let's say those together for everyone listening.
Okay, hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. See, listeners? You can try it too, don't be shy.
It's amazing how just a few words can make you feel connected. Let's keep that feeling and move to another daily skill. Numbers.
Numbers come up all the time, whether you're shopping, telling your age, or just counting your snacks.
Exactly. Let's count together, everyone listening. Join us. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? That actually feels kind of fun.
You sounded confident, Sophia. And for everyone at home, practice those numbers out loud. Say them slowly. Let them roll off your tongue. Now, let's see how numbers lead us right into days of the week.
Days of the week can be tricky, especially with words like Wednesday.
That's a common one. Remember, it's pronounced Wednesday. Try it. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay, that helps. So the days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Did I get them all?
All 7. Everyone listening, you can say each day out loud. It's a great way to remember, and soon you'll be using them in real conversations. Now, let's switch things up and talk about the things you see around you every day.
Looking around, I see a book, a pen, and a chair. Oh, and a window by my desk.
Perfect. Those are objects. Book, pen, chair, window. Also, computer, phone, table, door. It's helpful to point and name things like, this is a phone.
I can do that. This is a chair. This is a book. It makes learning feel real because these words are part of daily life.
Exactly. The more you say them, the more natural it feels. Speaking of natural, let's dig into something everyone loves, food and drinks.
Food is always a fun topic. I eat rice and bread almost every day, and I love drinking tea and water.
Great choices. In English, you can say, I eat rice. I drink water. Listeners, try making your own sentences with foods. Rice, bread, egg, fruit, milk, tea, juice.
Let's practice together. I eat bread. I drink milk. Hey, saying what you like is a great way to start a conversation.
Definitely. And since eating is just one daily routine, let's talk about other activities you do all the time.
Each morning, I wake up, eat breakfast, and go to school. That's my routine.
That's a perfect example. Simple, clear sentences like, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to school. The beauty is, anyone can build sentences like these.
It feels great to use English and talk about my real life. Listeners, what do you do every day? Try making your own 3-sentence story.
You're right, Sophia. When you go slow and steady, English becomes less scary and more like a friendly habit. Let's wrap up with a review. Let's lock in what you learned. Here are 3 big wins. First, you can now greet people and start a conversation. Second, you can count and talk about days of the week. Third, you can name objects, foods, and describe your routine with simple sentences.
And the best next step? Practice. Tonight, before bed, say your new English words out loud like hello. 1, 2, 3, Monday, book, rice, I eat, I drink, I wake up.
Exactly. Practice daily, be patient with yourself, and you'll be amazed at your progress. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Remember, English is for everyone. You did great today. Keep practicing and have fun with it.